Tired of guessing what's working and what's not on your Kvcore website? Let's cut the guesswork and get you tracking like a pro by installing Google Tag Manager on your Kvcore site in just a few simple steps. First, head over to tagmanagergoogle.com and create your account if you haven't already. Then create a new container. This container is going to be your Kvcore website. Next, log into your Kvcore dashboard. Navigate to the marketplace and search for the Google Tag Manager integration. Click on the Google Tag Manager integration. You'll see an option to install it. Click Install. You'll then be prompted to enter your Google Tag Manager container ID, which looks something like GTMXXXXXXX. You can find this ID at the top of your Google Tag Manager dashboard. Copy that container ID and paste it into the corresponding field within the Kvcore integration settings. Click Save or Update to finalize the installation. Now, jump back into Google Tag Manager and enter preview mode to ensure the tag is firing correctly on your Kvcore site. And that's it. You've successfully installed Google Tag Manager on your Kvcore website and are now ready to track user behavior and improve ROI.